I was sending a picture to my boyfriend. I didn't realise it would end up like this. I thought I could trust him. It was one stupid picture that is ruining my life. Once I had sent the picture, I carried on like normal until the next morning. It was a normal, boring school day. I met my boyfriend Liam at the time and walked to school with him. We chatted about the photo very quietly. I then saw my friends and we all walked together. When we got to school, I was horrified about what was all over the school. It was the picture that I'd sent to Liam. I felt like such an idiot. Liam was horrible and ignored me from that day on. I had no one. My parents had chucked me out. I had no friends. If it was all over school, where else could it be? Was I the one that was in the wrong? My advice to everyone is don't send any sort of pictures or information. I am now trying to get a job. I was 15 when all of this started, and now 3 years on I'm 18. It's still following me. Will it ever let me get on with my life? I went to Meic and they helped me and are still supporting me 3 years on.
If you need someone on your side, ring Meic on 080 880 23456 or text 84001 or go to the website www.meic.cymru. You can contact Voices in Care at 02920 451 431 or email info@vfcc.org.uk. Be sure to check out the website as well, www.vfcc.org.uk.